Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this calendar and wood hanger, both from Dollar Tree. The wood hanger is about 12 by 12, and I paint the entire thing with khaki color acrylic paint, and that's by Apple Barrel. Next, I am taking the calendar and cutting out one of the pages. I just put the cardboard insert underneath it and use my X-Acto knife to cut it out. I then add Mod Podge to one side of the sign, covering that side completely, and then placing down that piece of the calendar, smoothing it out with my hands. Once I have that smoothed out and where I want it to go, I place parchment paper down on top of it and use my iron to iron out any wrinkles or bubbles. I then sand off any of the excess paper. I take a small screwdriver and push through the holes of the original hanger. And then I'm taping down these 15mm half round wood beads I got from Amazon. I end up needing 56 of them. After they're taped down, I paint them all with a coat of black acrylic paint. I then take the beads and place them on one side of the sign. I do 15 on the top, 15 on the bottom, and then 13 on either of the sides. To attach them, I am applying tacky glue to the backs of them and placing them down. That way I can move them a little until that glue sets. And the last thing I do is just add back in a twine hanger. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.